Buenos tardes, amigos, and welcome to day 4 of our A Week in Spain travel series. It's 12:30 in the afternoon, and we have just left the hotel. And today's agenda or today's itinerary is to visit a few beaches in the south of Palma de Mallorca. There are a few luxury beaches that we are going to visit today that you guys will see in this video. But before we go ahead, we had to take a stop for an essential COVID-19 antigen test, which is going to be required for us to come back or fly back to the UK. According to the UK government, or according to the UK government guidelines, we need to do a COVID-19 antigen test before we can fly back to the UK. I think it's 72 hours before. We are flying on Wednesday and today's Monday. So we have decided to do the test today itself and keep the rest of the 2 days pretty chill, pretty flexible. So yeah, we are at Clinica Belize and we're now going to do the COVID-19 test. Let's go.
एका तासाने तुझा व्लॉग असेल. Unfortunately, we are all positive.
New tragedy.
We have to look into options now. 14 days we are stuck.
That is true.
The first beach that is in the southern part of Palma de Mallorca, and I'll show you guys the view. It is absolutely phenomenal. It's 7:15 in the evening, and as you can see behind, we have an amazing view. We were underwater for about 3 to 4 hours and it was exceptional. We had so much fun. We actually could do some snorkeling, some quality snorkeling today. The water is so clear, like you can see it in the videos. The water is very clear. There were really beautiful corals, fish down underneath the water, and we had an amazing time. And now everyone is starving. I think it is the salt in the water that dehydrates your body, and I think the exercise as well. And now every single person is hungry. So yeah, we are probably gonna head back now, and we'll look for something local to have for lunch come dinner, because I think we just had one meal, which was sometime before going into the water, and it was really light. We had some tacos, some salad, and a few fries, and obviously a drink. But that's it. That's all we had since the morning, and now we are really looking forward to having a really nice meal. So yeah, Let's freshen up, get ready, go to the car. Actually, we can see the car from here. The red one. Can you see it? So yeah, we're probably gonna go there. We're gonna get back and we're gonna look for some place to eat. We're gonna have some nice food and then we're gonna head back, do some editing. So yeah, let's go.